What's up guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I'm going to be filming a Michaels haul video. I've been into crafting lately, and so I've accumulated a ton of stuff from Michaels. I've been going there a lot lately, and so I thought I would film a video because I've grown to like watching like washi tape hauls or whatnot. And so yeah, so I'm going to be filming a haul. Which is funny, the last time I filmed a haul and the first time I was wearing the same exact sweater, and that was not planned. But anyways, okay, let's just get started. So the first things I purchased were some scrapbooking paper. And so, yeah, I decided I wanted to scrapbook just some of my Polaroids and just stuff from my honeymoon maybe, and just if we go on trips in the future. And so I decided I would get some scrapbooking paper because it was 70% off, and then I had additional 20% off. So it retailed originally for $19.99, I believe, and then it was on sale for $5.99 because it was 70% off, and then additional 20%, so it made this, I want to say $4.79, I believe. And so it just looks like this. So this one is the unicorn one, and mermaids, and so I love it because it has like, let's see, like holographic unicorn, just stuff like that. And so I plan to use this paper for scrapbooking and also maybe like just random crafts or something. The next one I got was this like light pink and neutral, like pastel pinks. And so I just like the neutral colors, so I decided to get that one. And originally I was thinking to make one for my wedding too. I haven't decided if I'm gonna do that yet, but yeah, I decided to choose this, and so I really like that. So the next pad of paper I got was the seafoam green pad of paper, and this was the same price as well. And then this actually has like blues and greens in it, so that was pretty. I thought that would be a nice layering piece with scrapbooking. I'm honestly gonna be very minimal as far as scrapbooking. I just kind of want it to be kind of like a decorated photo album in a sense, with a pop of color. I don't necessarily think I'm gonna make it super extravagant. Yeah, I just want something to harbor memories. And then I have the last one that I picked up, which I paid full price for, I think. Oh no, it wasn't full price. I got it for 70% off. I didn't have an additional 20% off that day because I found this at a different Michaels. Yeah, I got those papers in different trips. But anyways, so this one was cute because it has like cacti, feathers, and just like desert. What is this one called? Yeah, Desert Dream is what it's called. So that has like a lot of like not nautical. It has a lot of like cute plants, desert-esque things. And so I really like that one. That is probably one of my favorite. It's probably my favorite. Okay, so as far as scrapbooks that I got, these were $4.79, ended up being $4.79 as well because they were also $19.99 originally. And so the first one I got was this one. This is the one I was thinking to put my wedding pictures in. It says the best thing to hold on to is each other. I like it because it's like faux wood. And then the next one I saw was this unicorn one, and I just honestly, I'm obsessed with unicorns. I think I've mentioned that in my channel. And so, yep, I had to get this one. It looks like this. It just has unicorns, and I'm thinking just to put actually like random Polaroids in here. Yeah, so that's what it looks like. I think that's what I'm gonna do. And then that's what it looks like. It's empty. And then the last one I got, it was one I was thinking to put stuff for our honeymoon or trips that we take or whatnot. And this one says, "What is life but one grand adventure?" And so it just has maps all over it. So I thought that was super cute. So that's all for the scrapbooking stuff. Alright, and then I got a bunch of washi tape. I've been super obsessed with washi tape lately. I've been accumulating a bunch of washi tape, and Michaels has the best deals for them. I got these for I got them for 70% off. So the retail value was $14.99, and then it was on sale for $4.49. So the first set of washi I got was this like spring looking one, I guess. It has succulents, cactus, or cacti, flowers, and just like pink and orange. It just reminds me of like spring and summer. So that's the first set I got. And then these were all $4.49 because they were 70% off. And then the next one I got was the food one, I guess. Yeah. The first one says, I don't actually know what the first one says, but it has like hot dogs and hamburgers in one, popsicles, sprinkles, desserts, cupcakes, that kind of stuff. So I got that one. And then I decided to ring up and see if all the new ones were on sale. And they turned out that they were 70% off, because online I remember checking that they were still full price. And so when I was in store, I decided to scan it anyways, and they were all on sale. So these are the 4 newer ones that they just came out with, maybe just a few weeks ago, maybe like 1 or 2 weeks ago. So the first one from the new sets is this fruit one, and it's apparently scratch and sniff. I mean, I can't smell it through the packaging. Oh, actually, I could kind of smell it. It doesn't smell super strong, but anyways, there's pineapple, strawberries, oranges, bananas, lemons, cherries, watermelons, and then ice cream cones. So I thought these were super cute. And so I got that set. And then the next set I got was this one, and this one has popsicles, just like summery designs, yeah, ice cream cones, fruit, that kind of stuff. I just like the theme that was going on. And so I got that. And then the next 2 I got were I guess this is like the Fiesta one, Summer Fiesta. Oh, I didn't even realize it had little names on them. Whoops. Anyways, okay. So I guess this one is called Poolrific, and so is these. So these are from the Poolrific line or whatever, and then these ones are Summer Fiesta. So the first one from the Summer Fiesta ones I got were these ones, and this just has really pretty patterns in it. I really love it. When I looked at it initially, I wasn't a fan of it, but when I saw it online and like a full stripe of them, I actually really love the patterns, and I love the one with the buck, and I love like this tribal looking pattern, and I just really like the color scheme. And then the next one from the Summer Fiesta, and the last thing I got from Michael's, is this blue one, and this one just has all types of blue birds, some stuff that says Fiesta and La Noche, Hola, Fiesta, Salud, which is kind of funny because salud means bless you. But anyways, there's just a bunch of blue going on of that, and I really like the theme of it. So I think that's all the stuff I got. As of lately, I have gotten a lot of washi tape from them, and I've put it away and organized it, and it's not in the packaging anymore, and I really just wanted to film this haul so that I could put my washi away and organize it. So yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and I will see you guys in my next. Comment down below if you like videos like this, and if you want me to do more crafting hauls, I guess. And yeah, I will see you guys in my next video. Bye guys.